Good day mga ka-district, this is Jen again from Johndam District. And for today's video guys, another application na naman tayo kung saan ka pwede kumita online. So guys, highly recommended ko to guys dahil lalo na't magbe-burr months. So guys, pag burr months, mas maraming survey, mas maraming earnings na makukuha ninyo. At by the way guys, ang recommendation ko as well is mag-download kayo ng maraming survey application. That's how you earn fast and mas malaki ang makukuha ninyo.
So guys, this video is for informational and educational purposes only. I personally tested the app and I'm sharing my own experience. So guys, legitimate check muna tayo. Legit ang application na to at merong 2.7 million users worldwide. Ang kinaganda sa application na to guys is you can win prizes by doing bonus missions and campaigns. So guys, ang kinaganda rin pala dito is by the way, super fun and easy lang ang pag-complete ng surveys. Hindi gaya ng ibang survey apps or survey na website. Dito guys, it's super fun and really easy lang. So guys, ang kinaganda dito, kapag na-reach na yung total balance or minimum threshold, napakadali lang makukuha nyo na agad yung inyong earning. And by the way guys, based sa aking experience, right away siyang nasisend or immediate. So by the way guys, pag-usapan naman natin ang cash out requirements and rules. So minimum threshold guys is 1,000 e-points at 1,000 points is equivalent to 100 pesos. So guys, ang payment method dito is through PayPal cash transfer. And guys, ito yung pinaka-importante ha, account match. Your Rakuten Insight register email must match your PayPal email address. The good thing about this application guys is no processing fee or miscellaneous fees are charged for PayPal redemptions. So by the way guys, ang application nga pala ay walang iba kundi ang Rakuten Insight Earn Cash. And this application guys is available sa Play Store at sa App Store.
And that's it guys for today's video. Sana nakatulong to sa inyo. If you have any comment, suggestion, please comment down below. And don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button para maging updated ka sa aking mga latest videos. So, see ya!